Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best World War II planes is probably one of the most fascinating and impactful subjects in aviation history, showcasing incredible technological advancements and diverse designs that played crucial roles in shaping the outcome of the war. From nimble fighters like the Spitfire and Zero to powerful bombers such as the B-17 and Lancaster, each aircraft tells a unique story of innovation, courage, and the devastating realities of conflict. This video will explore some of the most iconic and influential warplanes, examining their design, capabilities, and historical significance. Number 5. WWII World War II P-51D Red Tails. Get ready to witness aviation history. This meticulously crafted model is a stunning replica of a legendary World War II fighter plane. With a fuselage of approximately 7.12 inches and a wingspan of 9 inches, it's big enough to make a statement. Every detail is carefully recreated for an authentic look. It's surprisingly easy to put together. No glue is needed, and a screwdriver is included for your convenience. It comes pre-painted, saving you time and effort. Simply assemble and admire this beautiful piece. A removable plastic stand is included, allowing for easy display and showcasing its impressive details. This isn't just a model, it's a piece of history, perfect for aviation enthusiasts and collectors alike. What we like. It's ready to display right out of the box, no glue or complicated assembly needed. Its pre-painted design saves you time and effort. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to add a classic World War II plane to your collection, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It does need a couple extra screws, though the stand doesn't work so well, but it's still pretty good. Very cool and realistic. Simple to put together in about 10 minutes. It's about 8 inches in length. The landing gear also extends and retracts. Number 4. NUOTIE F4U Corsair 172. Get ready to experience the legendary Vought F4U Corsair, a pivotal aircraft of World War II. This meticulously detailed model brings a piece of history to your collection. It's incredibly lifelike, replicating the iconic design and paint scheme of a U.S. Navy VF-17 squadron aircraft. You'll be amazed by its accuracy. Mostly constructed from high-quality metal, it's built to last. The baked enamel paint ensures a durable, vibrant finish that won't fade. At 1/72 scale, it's packed with details. Notice the rotatable propeller and even the pilot in the cockpit. It arrives in a protective box, complete with a display stand. This makes it perfect for showcasing on a desk or shelf. Whether you're a military history buff or an aviation enthusiast, or know someone who is, this model is a fantastic gift. It's also a great addition to any collection. We stand behind our product. If you encounter any issues, we offer a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support. What we like. This model boasts a sturdy metal construction and incredibly detailed design. The rotatable propeller adds a dynamic touch. If you appreciate high-quality, realistic models and want a durable piece for your collection, this is it. What people say. Very detailed model. Nice construction. This is quite small, but very accurate as a scale model rendition of the famous F4U Corsair. The model has an included stand and is marked properly, having also 2 drop tanks below the center line of the aircraft. The fighter was known to have difficulty in visibility looking down the long nose of the aircraft on the deck of an aircraft carrier. There were a number of very clever design elements, including the gull wing, which allowed for shorter landing gear, but a very large propeller. Number 3. World War II Aircraft 500-piece puzzle. Get ready for a challenging and rewarding experience. This 500-piece puzzle features a stunning image of World War II aircraft. It's made in the USA using the highest quality blue board. You'll appreciate the durability and smooth finish of each piece. The completed puzzle measures 19.25 by 26.5 inches, ideal for display. The compact box makes it easy to store. The pieces are designed for a snug fit, making assembly easier and more enjoyable. They're strong and won't break easily. The puzzle comes in a conveniently sized box, 8 by 8 by 2.37 inches. It's perfect for gifting or personal enjoyment. This puzzle is proudly made in the USA, ensuring the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. Enjoy the satisfaction of completing this beautiful puzzle. What we like. This 500-piece puzzle provides a fun and engaging challenge. Made with high-quality materials in the USA, it's built to last. If you enjoy puzzles and want a beautiful, historically themed piece for your home, this is a great option. What people say. The pieces are definitely on the larger side and perfect for those who may not see so well anymore or those who would maybe like to put this together with the family. The puzzle itself was very well made with nice clean cuts and every piece was accounted for. Completed, it measures 19 1/4 by 26 5/8 inches and the finished product looks very pretty too. Picture quality is great. The pieces are easy to fit together and hold together well. It is challenging to put together but not too hard. You learn a lot from the plane's description. Number 2. COBI P-38 Lightning Plane. Get ready for an exciting build. This detailed model is perfect for aviation enthusiasts and builders alike. Let's dive in. It's made with 545 high-quality blocks, ensuring a sturdy and satisfying build. You'll appreciate the precision and detail in each piece. This isn't just a toy, it's a piece of history. Officially licensed by Lockheed Martin, it captures the iconic P-38 Lightning with incredible accuracy. Complete your collection with the included pilot figure and display plate. Show off your finished masterpiece with pride. Building it is a breeze. Clear, step-by-step instructions make assembly simple and fun, even for beginners. It's fully compatible with other major block brands, expanding your building possibilities. The fun never has to end. What we like. It features high-quality blocks that are a joy to assemble. The inclusion of a pilot figure adds a nice touch. If you enjoy building models and appreciate authentic licensed products, this is a great choice. What people say. My 10-year-old loved building this. It's solid, and has decent instructions, easy enough for a kid to follow, with every piece included. Doesn't fall apart easily either. For those of you that have put together a few non-official LEGO adult builds, you'll probably be well prepared for this set. I didn't run into any major issues, so if you want a decent-looking P-38 built out of LEGO-ish bricks, this'll do you. I just put this together tonight while I was watching the TV show Combat. Well done. I was concerned about the strength of the tails, but then I got to the step where you slide the pieces on, locking everything tight. Well done, COBI. Number 1. Academy World War II P-51C Model Kit. Get ready to assemble a legendary aircraft. This detailed model kit lets you build your own piece of aviation history. It's incredibly detailed for its size. You'll appreciate the finely engraved panel lines and rivets. The cockpit and landing gear are meticulously crafted. It's like stepping back in time. Choose your favorite version. It comes with markings for 3 different USAF and CAF aircraft. Add your own personal touch. It includes various underwing stores to customize your build. Everything you need to build this iconic plane is here. Paint and glue are sold separately. What we like. This model kit offers incredible detail, including a fully detailed cockpit and various markings. Its 1/72 scale makes it perfect for collectors who appreciate accuracy. If you enjoy detailed model building and want a historically accurate representation, this is for you. What people say. With a little work and patience, this is what this kit can turn out to be. Nice detail. This is a great kit. It went together very well and was reasonably detailed for this scale. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.